How can expert fund managers still manage to lose so much money? Let me give you an example of some of the biggest names. If you work for AXA or you work for St. James's Place, Artemis, Bailey Gifford, how is it that over a 3-year period, you've actually managed to lose money in one of the biggest bull markets in the world on your global funds? When the global market has gone up, when you're an expert, and not only are you an expert, but you've got the resources of Bailey Gifford, St. James's Place, L&G, AXA. I'm looking at a whole bunch of dog funds. I'm wondering, with all those research resources, all that you've got at your disposal, plus your education, presumably, all the things that they use in the marketing literature, how is it that you're managing to lose money? Whichever of those big brand names you're at, surely the logical conclusion is that institutionally there must be something that all these institutions have in common which leads them to failure. And that common factor that they all have is they are paid as a percentage of assets under management. Therefore, it makes sense for them to spend a lot of money marketing and getting lots of assets under management, which means they have so much money that they can't just pick the best companies from around the world. They have to subdivide that money into smaller pots and create lots of different funds. And because they have so much money, there are very few companies they can invest in any event. So they're institutionally set up to fail, which is why they tend to underperform not just benchmarks, whether that benchmark's the global index or the S&P 500 or the FTSE 100, but they actually underperform what a private investor might be able to do themselves without those shackles, but they actually lose money in real terms. I think there's a lot of better ways of doing this. What I'm going to suggest to you is if you want to keep seeing videos from me, please like, follow, comment, save the video on TikTok. It makes a big difference for the algorithm. It'll go to more people will see it. I'll continue doing more of them. If you want to know what the better outcome is, which is don't go through the institution, learn yourself. Anybody who gets angry at financial education is usually in the financial services industry, is an IFA or a wealth manager, who want to get in the way, be the middleman, keep taking the fees. Educating yourself stops you getting ripped off by that industry. Have a look at my campaign for $1 million to teach 1 million people how to invest better and add an extra $1 million to their pensions across their lifetimes through better investment decisions and better financial education. Campaignfor1million.com. And please, as I said, like, share, follow this video, because then more people see it and I do more of them for you. Thank you.